Jai Shri Gurudev. In the last class we learnt about the reproduction in plant. In that we learned how the plants are useful to us and how the plants are produce their young ones of their own kind and how they are using different part of the plants to grow as a new plant. Here is the different plants and I will show you which part of the plant it can use it to grow as a new plant. I will show you one by one the plants. This is a pigeon gram plant, and this pigeon gram plant it uses its seeds to grow, and this tree is papaya tree, and the papaya tree is used to grow as a new plant. Its part we call it as seed. It uses seed to grow as a new plant. And this is guava plant or guava tree. This guava tree is also uses its seeds to grow as a new plant. And this banana tree is also uses its seeds, and also when it's grow it will use roots to grow as a new plant. It can, and this we call it as Arabian jasmine. This Arabian jasmine uses its stem cutting to grow as a new plant. And this one is little mango plant. And we know that the mango uses to grow its seeds. Mango uses its seeds to grow as a new plant. And this one is tomato. Tomato is also uses its seeds to grow as a new plant. And here is the curry leaves. It is the curry tree, and this curry is uses its stem cutting, and also it uses seeds to grow as a new plant. And this is a brinjal plant. This brinjal plant can use seeds to grow as a new plant. And this is the aloe vera. Aloe vera uses its roots to grow as a new plant. And this one we call it as hibiscus. Hibiscus is used its stem cutting to grow as a new plant. Aloe vera uses its stem cutting to grow as a new plant. And this one is a lemon tree, and this lemon tree can uses its seeds to grow as a new plant. And this one is a henna tree. We are applying this one to our hands, and this can grow by its stem cutting and seeds. It can grow by both the seed and the stem cutting. The next one is mint. This is a mint, and this mint can grow by its roots. It can spread easily when we plant a single root of this plant. And this is a rose. This plant is a rose plant, and we know that the rose plant is grow by its stem cutting. It can grow by its stem cutting. This one is chrysanthemum. This plant is called it as chrysanthemum. This plant is also grow by its stem cutting. And the next one is chili. Chili plant grow by its seeds. The chili plant grow by its seeds. And the next one is This is the plant, puppy plant and puppy tree. We call it as puppy tree. This puppy tree is growing by their seeds. These are the trees of Eucalyptus. This Eucalyptus is grown by their seeds. This is the creeper, pumpkin creeper. This pumpkin is grown by its seeds. Pumpkin can grow by its seeds. This is a gooseberry tree. This gooseberry tree can grow by its seeds. Most of the plants and trees are growing by their seeds, and some plants only growing by their stem cuttings and leaves and roots of their plant. Now it is a basil plant. Basil plant can grow by its seeds. Basil plant can also grow by its seeds. This is Crossandra. This Crossandra is also grown by the seeds. After the ripening of this fruit, when the flowers fell down, this is turned into a seed and it can grow as a new plant. This creeper we call it as bitter gourd creeper, and this bitter gourd is also grow by its seeds. Bitter gourd is also grow by its seeds. These are the some plants. Look at, and we can see here the coconut tree. The coconut tree is grow by its seeds, and the next tree is tamarind. The tamarind is also grow by its seeds. And here look at this tree. This tree is blackberry tree. The blackberry is also grow by its seeds. This plant is a bryophyllum. This bryophyllum plant can grow by its leaf. It uses leaf to grow, and the corner of the buds, the corner of the leaf, it has some buds. These buds can grow as a new plant. This is radish. Radish can grow by its roots. Onion and garlic, it can grow by its roots. Ginger can grow by its underground stem. We can use these stems like potato, sweet potato and ginger as to eat. We can use these stems to eat, and this ginger plant can grow by its stem, underground stem. I think now in this class you understand which are the different plants are using different parts of the plants to use different parts of the plants used to grow as a new plant. In your surrounding also there is some other plants, and get the information about that plant or tree by using which part of the plant they are growing as a new plant. And thank you everyone.